In this fill in the blank question, we have 2 blanks and 5 answer options, and we have to see which of our answer options best fits the meaning of the sentence. So let's go for it. While it is true that many chronic patients feel blank during hospitalization periods, they do their greatest efforts not to let this lack of blank destroy their spirit. Now I'm going to highlight a few key parts here and let this lack of and destroy their spirit. Now the fact that it's saying this implies that it's already described previously, and when you go through the sentence enough, you'll realize that the second part, lack of blank, is actually describing the first blank. So if I said lack of food, the first word the patient feels is hungry. So let's write that in below. We're going to say A, or the first word, is equal to a lack of B, the second word. And the other thing I notice is destroy their spirit at the end. And this implies that the word or the description is very negative. So I can also write A equals negative. So now we're going to go through the answer options and see which of the first words is negative, and then afterwards which of the first words is connected to the second word in the sense that a lack of the second word means the first word. So the first word is despondent, and despondent means a lack of hope. So firstly, this is a negative word, and a lack of hope, the second word, is a good description for the first word. So we'll leave it blank. The second is weakened and sadness. And whilst weakened is a negative word, you couldn't say a lack of sadness is a description of weakened. So we're going to cross it out. The third one is passionate, and passionate tends to mean something positive, not negative. So we'll cross it out. The fourth one is enervated and health. And enervated means that you lack energy. But health, saying a lack of health, does not imply or describe a lack of energy. So we're going to cross it out. And the last one is desperate and emotions. So desperate normally is a negative thing. But if you say a lack of emotions, people will automatically think you're talking about desperate. So we're going to cross it out. And just looking at our answer options, we've got one that wasn't crossed out, despondent and hope, which will be our final answer.